Welcome to Biotech Information. In this video, we will talk about important facts of citrus fruits. The most common fruit available in winters. They are rich in vitamins and other plant compounds. Number of varieties of citrus fruits are available all over the world and in Pakistan. Common health benefits include it helps to keep your skin looking young and fresh, helps to reduce pigmentation, prevent hair loss, and strengthen your hairs, fight against dandruff, helps in weight loss, lower the risk of stroke in women. They also play an important role in treatment of cancer. Antioxidants are present in citrus, helps to protect from a variety of diseases such as aging and UV damage. It can be used by combining antioxidants with some other substances like with some other vitamins and used in sunscreen lotion, anti-aging stuff and antimicrobial drugs. Phytochemicals are found in citrus fruits. Some of these phytochemicals are believed to protect cells from damage that could lead to cancer. Flavonoids may help to reduce the risk of death from coronary heart disease in elderly men. Several scientists are working on in silico investigation of useful flavonoids present in citrus fruits. In different researches, molecular docking is performed to predict the binding affinity of those flavonoids to bind with angiotensin converting enzyme 2, which is a receptor of the coronavirus. Consideration of the potential anti-coronavirus and anti-inflammatory activity of flavonoids. This graph shows how hesperidine and vitamin C is involved in preventing from attacking virus of this disease. The citrus fruits or its derived phytochemicals are promising in the use of prevention and treatment of COVID-19 infection. Flavonoids are abundant in citrus fruits. Two main types of flavonoids, including hesperidine and orangeine, are present in citrus fruits. These flavonoids are helpful in fighting against COVID-19. The researches about in silico study of COVID-19 and hesperidine are done by using bioinformatic tools like molecular docking. Other health benefits include citrus limiter peels are rich in polyphenols and have effect on carbohydrate metabolism by reducing alpha glycosidase and alpha amylase enzyme responsible for carbohydrate digestion. Due to presence of inactive bioactive compounds, it also helps in preventing chronic hyperglycemia that leads to type 2 diabetes mellitus. Naringine, most abundant in citrus, has been associated with DNA repair following oxidative damage in prostate cancer cells. In vitro studies on citrus fruits indicates that citrus fruits are composed of polyphenols, especially tannins, carotenoids, flavonoids, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers, which are used in treating obesity.